This is my Phantom Thunder. I just purchased this as an estate sale yesterday. I bought it mainly because it has the box. A few things about this machine. It did not come with that owner's manual and videotape. Those things are things that I had in stock in the back of the basement that are for this machine. It also came with that 20-foot extension hose, which I've personally never owned, so that will be a new experience for me. The box itself is actually in pretty good shape. This, as you can see, was a refurbished unit. It was refurbished November 22nd, 2000, and it was shipped in March 2001. So yeah, the box is in pretty good shape. And then for the vacuum, much to my displeasure, I thought the lights worked properly, but once I released the handle, the lights went out. So I'm not quite sure how to fix that, although I think it probably can be fixed. It's just a wiring issue. I could probably either rewire it, get new wires. I have a Thunder carcass in the back of my basement, and the motor was shot, but the lights were working, so maybe I'll be able to harvest those parts and put those parts on this one, because I really do want to get the lights working on this. I've spent so much money on it that I do want it to be fully functional. But I'm not that surprised, because lights not working on these, or either not working at all or not working properly, is very common, as well as the switch going. But as far as I know, the switch is good. I have the tools, floor tool, crevice tool, as well as the dusting brush. So I'll just give it a quick run. So once I release the handle, you'll be able to see that the lights are going to go out. Again, very common issue on these, and hopefully I can fix it, because it's kind of ridiculous how they just go on and off. So that's the Phantom Thunder. That's the owner's manual, and this is the how-to video. You saw me struggling putting the hose back on because it has a kink in the hose right here. So, again, as I stated, I got it mainly because of the box. Otherwise, I probably would have just left it, because they were really asking way more than it was worth. So that's the Thunder, and I am crossing my fingers and hoping that I can get the lights fixed.